I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select Mail Meant. Connect. Next. Choose the actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Mail Meant Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the Mail Meant. Thanks for watching.